Back in 1977, a tiny spacecraft named Voyager 1 blasted off from Earth. Its mission was simple, but incredibly ambitious: to give us our first close-up look at the giants of our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. But what started as a tour of our cosmic neighborhood has turned into one of the greatest stories of exploration in human history. Today, Voyager 1 is a ghost ship, sailing through the vast, empty ocean of interstellar space, more than 15 billion miles away from home. It's the farthest human-made object from Earth, a tiny ambassador carrying a golden record with the sounds and sights of our world. But this legendary journey almost came to a silent end. In November 2023, after 46 years of faithful service, Voyager 1 suddenly stopped talking to us. Instead of sending back precious data about the space between stars, it started babbling in gibberish, repeating nonsensical pattern. For the engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, it was a heart-stopping moment. Imagine trying to fix a computer that's billions of miles away, where a single command takes nearly a full day to travel one way. The odds were stacked against them. The technology on Voyager is ancient, a relic from the 1970s. We're talking about a computer with less memory than the key fob for your car. The original engineers who designed it have long since retired or passed away. It was like trying to decipher an ancient language with no dictionary. The team at JPL didn't give up. They spent months poring over decades-old documents, trying to understand the mind of this old machine. The problem was traced to a single faulty memory chip in one of its 3 onboard computers, a tiny part of its Flight Data Subsystem, or FDS. This chip held a small but crucial piece of the computer's software code. Without it, the FDS couldn't package the science and engineering data for the trip back to Earth. The solution they came up with was pure genius. They couldn't repair the broken chip, so they decided to perform a sort of digital brain surgery. They carefully sliced up the affected code and cleverly tucked the pieces into different spots in the FDSS memory. It was an incredibly delicate operation. One wrong move, one misplaced line of code, and Voyager could have been lost forever. On April 20th, 2024, after 5 long months of silence, a signal arrived. It had traveled for 22.5 hours across the solar system to reach the Deep Space Network antennas on Earth. The team held their breath, and then, relief, it worked. For the first time since the glitch, Voyager 1 was sending back coherent, readable data about its own health and status. But it was a triumph of human ingenuity and persistence. A few weeks later, they sent more commands, and Voyager began transmitting valuable science data once again, resuming its study of the interstellar medium. This incredible rescue mission proves that even after nearly half a century, the spirit of exploration is alive and well. So, what's next for our intrepid explorer? Voyager 1 is currently cruising through a region where the Sun's influence gives way to the vast cosmic sea. It's measuring cosmic rays and magnetic fields that have traveled for millions of years from distant supernovas, but its power is fading. The plutonium-238 that fuels its radioisotope thermoelectric generators is slowly decaying. To conserve energy, engineers have been shutting down non-essential systems one by one. But there is a significant date on the horizon, November 2026. This date is on just a random point in time. It will mark 49 years since launch, surpassing the operational lifespan of its sibling probe, Pioneer 10, which lasted 47 years before its final signal. Reaching this milestone would make Voyager 1 the longest operating spacecraft in history, a testament to its robust design and the incredible team that keeps it flying. Every signal we receive is a gift from the void, a faint whisper from a machine that has seen more of the cosmos than any human ever has. It carries the hopes and dreams of a species that dared to look up at the stars and wonder what lies beyond. Voyager 1 is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of our curiosity, our resilience, and our unending quest for knowledge. It's a message in a bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean, proof that we were here. Thanks for watching. If you were inspired by Voyager's incredible story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tales of cosmic exploration.